Good day everyone, my name is Harlan Maiden Imperial, BEd4, and this is the summary that I have learned in Chapter 3. I learned that science and technology in the Philippines is not just about new invention, but also about solving real problems. For example, the salt lamp and salamander tricycle show me that Filipinos can create practical solution even with limited resources. I also realized that government support is very important to our scientists and inventors to continue their work. Innovation is not only having a new ideas, but also a building a culture that values and applies them. Moreover, I also learned that science, indigenous science and technologies like herbal medicine, traditional health practices, food preservation, and even the yo-yo that prove how creative and resourceful in our ancestors. Many of these still useful today and remind me that science can come from culture, tradition, and daily lives. For example, the traditional health practices, hilot, trips for sprain and fracture, tawas established using for nature acute disease, and also tuli well-known traditional ritual. All of these that not just from books or modern laboratories. As a student, I feel inspired to value contribution and to see science as part who we are as Filipinos. And be proud to our Filipino scientists. Thank you.